7 types of pronouns. 1. Personal pronouns, subjective case, I, you, he, she, it, they, we, objective case, me, you, him, her, it, them, us, possessive case, mine, yours, his, hers, its, theirs, ours. 2. Reflexive pronouns, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, themselves, ourselves. 3. Demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these, those. 4. Interrogative pronouns, who, whom, whose, which, what. 5. Relative pronouns, that, who, whom, whose, which. 6. Indefinite pronouns, anyone, anybody, anything, everyone, everybody, everything, someone, somebody, something, no one, nothing, each, either, neither, few, many, several, some, all, any, most, none. 7. Reciprocal pronouns, each other, one another.